But you in yellow, bro.
I mean, yeah, it was a nice game. So, respect din naman. Respect to US.
78 to 69 in favor of the UP Fighting Maroons. Heading back to the finals for the fourth straight year. Hats off to that promising UST Growling Tigers for UAP Season 87. Sobrang, again, we mentioned na the Final Four will be a different story, a different ball game, and it showed with them.
Ang pagka dito describe ko lalo sa first half, fake momentum. Bakit fake momentum? Kung pansinin nyo, yung nung first half, especially nung first half, laging ang lalamang lang yung team mapa UP man or UST. Lalamang lang yan ng mga apat, anim.
Oh,
Tapos that's why I say fake momentum kasi feeling mo may momentum kasi sobrang hype na nung crowd. Bakit? Kasi puro highlight plays. Pero
correct.
kung pansin mo, 2-3 baskets